You've mastered the skill of creating AI agents inside Vapi, and now you want to take the skill and you want to offer this to your client. If this resonates with you, then this video is for you. Couple of things that you would consider before you move to a white label for Vapi. First is, does it carry over all the features that you have in Vapi to the white label platform? How stable is the platform? And then what are people talking about it? Finally, how much does this cost? Does this cost more than stitching together a N8N or a make.com or a Zapier integration until they break? Or is it something that you can pay for and still maintain profitability? For starters, VoiceAIWrapper is listed as a approved integration provider on Vapi's own documentation. If you want to look up use cases and success stories, there's enough of them on SASA and G2. For those who are still skeptical, we offer a 7-day free trial. So what does VoiceAIWrapper do? VoiceAIWrapper allows you to import all your Vapi assets simply by plugging in your Vapi API key. Once you're done with that, you can connect your own domain and you can create client portals, and then you can add pages and order those pages the way you want to. So everything that the client sees is your brand, your logo, your URL, your Stripe, and nothing on VoiceAIWrapper or Vapi side. On the billing side, VoiceAIWrapper allows you to bill in multiple currencies, create a billing plan of your choice. You can charge your clients one-time setup fees, or you can charge them usage packs, which automatically top up once they exhaust their credits, or you can charge them a subscription pack. No matter where you're based out of, your client portal can be created in multiple languages. And your admin portal is also available in multiple global languages. The client onboarding journey can start right from your website. So technically, you just need Vapi agent creation skills, and you just need to have a website, and you need to be good at marketing. Clients can land up on your website, and you can either embed the code for your billing plans, or you can select which billing plan URL you want to embed in your site. Right after they sign up, they enter into your client acquisition workflow. Every phone number that you have connected in Vapi syncs up with your VoiceAIWrapper platform. Also, we have certain features such as a number pool, which allows you to add multiple numbers. And in case you're doing outbound or inbound, and you have a concurrency of one from your telephony provider, you can add multiple numbers, and those incoming or outgoing dials can be distributed randomly across multiple numbers with our built-in feature. Now, coming back to the core of AI automation, so you would either be handling incoming calls or handling outgoing calls. For outgoing calls, you can feed leads into your calling campaigns from any CRM systems or any source. These are not batch calls. You can programmatically decide how many calls are happening, when the calls are happening, what is the outbound calling behavior, what trigger happens after a call is complete or during a call. You can send success metrics back to your CRM, or you can decide when is a lead marked as do not call, or when does a lead deserve to be called back again. These features are built into the system, so this can sync up with whatever lead sources you have, either in a Google Sheet or in a CRM like Go High Level. Each calling campaign is accompanied by their own call logs. So your clients, when they log into their client portal, they will be able to see their call summaries, their call history, and the transcripts. The only difference is they will not see VoiceAIWrapper or Vapi anywhere. We offer built-in analytics with our campaigns. And in case you want to set up analytics of your own, all you need to do is add a forwarding webhook to whatever agent you're using, whether it's N8N, make.com, or Zapier, and you can create your own analytics page and add that page as a custom page to your client portal. So when your client logs in, they will see the pages that you want them to see and view stats and analytics. When you create client accounts, you have total control on what assets you want to assign to these client portals. When I say assets, I'm talking about agents, phone numbers, knowledge base that you want to associate with the client account. And you can also decide what kind of visibility you want to offer to your clients. For those of you who are creating inbound AI receptionists, we also have an option to create web widgets, and these can be multimodal web widgets. The embed code that you embed in your client's website is your embed code with your own URL, which means they don't see Vapi or VoiceAIWrapper anywhere. So based on whatever Vapi is charging you for these voice minutes, you can charge them a markup, and you can also charge them for chat conversations. You can add multiple client portals with one VoiceAIWrapper account, and you can add Vapi or you can add any other provider of your choice to test the performance across different providers. And when your clients log in, it's your product, your brand, and your billing. In terms of support, we offer support 24/7. There's a support widget on our website. We also offer Slack support to our premium customers. We have a community on School. We also have a YouTube community, and there are tutorial videos and walkthroughs available on our YouTube channel. Our free trial is available for 7 days. You can sign up and you get full support during the free trial period. So let me know if you like this video, and if you're building on Vapi or some other platform like Retail or 11 Labs. We have other videos for people who build on 11 Labs and Retail or Ultrabox or Bolna. And we have videos for agencies who work with GHL. We have a native integration with GHL, and anybody who's onboarding clients on GHL sub accounts can use our platform to access providers like Vapi, Retail, and 11 Labs to serve their GHL clients. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're interested, feel free to sign up for a free trial. Our team is going to meet you on the other end.